Hey guys, it's me, Ronnie, from Ask Ronnie. I don't know. I just want to say a shout out to my friend. What's her name again?
It's what was it? Music Super Shadow.
Yeah, Music Super Shadow. Subscribe and watch his videos.
That was so awkward.
Thanks. Also subscribe and comment for me too. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Ronnie Smith. Don't come to my house and stalk me. Anyways,
You can stalk me instead, bro.
yeah,
All
you
good.
could stalk Music Super Shadow. He doesn't care. He's a forever loner.
I enjoy it. I'm just like sitting out, looking out the window. You guys are looking with binoculars. I'm like eating popcorn. I'm like, I masturbate to these
Yeah,
guys.
you can be like freaking paparazzi to him. He doesn't give a crud. Anyways, yeah, same here with me. Anyways, yeah, so subscribe, comment, whatever. Okay, peace. I'm out. Ugh.